Hi, I'm Aiden McAllister. I'm going to demonstrate my prototype working. Ideally, it would be mounted up on a windowsill, but I'm a little bit afraid to mount this because I'm renting, so I'm not going to do it, but imagine it's up there. There are 5 components, 4 electrical, and then 1 designed gear train, along with this. So this is the spool, which would wind up the curtain. There's not enough friction force on the axle for it to actually experience the full torque of the gear drive, but it would wind it up to retract the curtain, and its weight, when it is unwinding, would pull it back down. Here we have an infrared remote with a few controls to manually control the curtain. This going this way, counterclockwise, would be the closing of the curtain, and you can press it again, and it'll detect what position it's in and reverse it to retract and open. Back here, we have the light sensor, which would ideally be mounted to a window where the sunlight would be coming in. It wouldn't actually be on the box. Over here is the DHT11 temperature sensor. This would also be mounted somewhere else in the room. Right now I just have it coming out of the box because it would be on a long lead wire, so it's away from the heat of the window, so it gets the ambient temperature of the room. Inside, over here, we have the gear train driven by a DC motor controlled with an H bridge. I'll demonstrate its function. It would rotate over there. It has enough torque to pull the curtain, but there's currently slippage on the gear right there, so it's not working perfectly. Okay. Well, it's working right now, but it was... Hold on, let me reset it. So this would be putting I've put the curtain in the closed position. If we set the light back here though, it will detect that there is light coming in the window, and it is reading the temperature and detecting a semi-cold temperature, so it would open the curtain in order to let in light for heat. And then we can get it to do the opposite. Normally this would be like for the temperature of the room to increase, but I'm going to manually increase the temperature on the sensor, and it should close itself once it's detected that there's light and heat to prevent any more heat from coming in. All right, and that's it. Thank you.